majorettes are being called now. There are only three.
Queens.
Queens,
Saan?
four, five,
Yung mga nasa
six,
likod.
seven.
Saan kayo dito?
There are about seven queens or eight.
Batons! Saan ang mga batons ko?
Mga batons are there, about 100 of them.
Pass! Ay, wala pa yung props girls! Ano, na-miss ko itong mga ito.
Mga props girls are being called now. There are three,
Props men.
four, about 20 mga props.
Table line. Uy, dami nila. Kompleto ata table line.
Table liars are being called now. Marami rin sila, mga 200.
Drummers.
The drummers are there at the back.